This is a free LED 65 RCA. I have two of these 55-inch models. And so the standby light's on. I was able to repair the other two. One of them has ghosting still. I need to do a little work on one of the boards, I think. This one, I wasn't sure if it was working or not. They didn't know. And I powered on, and this actually starts to power on. But instead of ghosting with the 155-inch, the screen's flickering. So I think this is just an easy fix. I'll have to determine what exactly that is, but this should be a lot easier than the other 55 that I got working, but it still has ghosting when that box appears and it stays on. The screen stays on, the backlight stays on. This one, the backlight might be some LEDs are bad, or something's up with the board that powers that. I don't see why anything else would be wrong, but I don't know. We'll figure it out. We're going to document this. This is going to be a teardown like this one for LEDs. Plus the bonus, this came with a remote that works for the 55-inch LED, 55, whatever the G or I forget what it is, versions or models. So that's cool. That's a bonus for free. I think just that alone was worth the trip.